Hello guys, we are still on editing with Premiere Pro. We are doing all the basics so that when you get to the advanced, will not leave anyone behind. So I'm here back again answering your question. So today we are going to be working on how you can add, you know that scrolling text that you get to see at the bottom of a video moving. I want to show you guys how you can add that text inside Premiere Pro, because it's now we are not in like basic. We are starting to get to the levels. Yeah, and this is Finstock Bstock. Welcome very much. Here we give you tips on how you can start editing, how you can make money online, courses you should take to make money online, and how you can be on date with the modern world that will help you make money and become successful. My name is Patrick, and let's just get straight into it. So what I'll do is that I'll share my screen so that you guys can follow along and be able to learn and seeing whatever I'm doing here, so that you can follow along and see, and then implement what you are doing just at home if you have your laptop or if you have your desktop, so that we can move open. So together. What we'll do is, so our software is open. Import a random video. Let me import. Just click on Control I to import a video, or you can just come here at File and then click on Import. But the shortcut is to click on Control I. So we'll import a video, just any video. Yeah, so I'll import this video right here. Yeah, so let's drag our video in the timeline right here. So we have our video ready. So what we'll do is, you want to come here, click on File, then click on Legacy Title. Yeah, click File, New, then Legacy Title, then click OK. Then this will bring you right here where you can edit. Then just come just at the right hand of where we have the word title, you'll have tools right here. So click on tools and grab this rectangle tool. Yeah, so this rectangle tool is what you will use to draw right here, down here. Then draw a rectangle by just clicking and dragging, then place it nicely where you can see it, like every single detail. Close that tab and then drag this into your timeline. Okay, so now you'll just drag it over here. So now you have a rectangle where it's running, it's down here. So what you need to do now is add your text to this rectangle. So we just click on File again, New, and then again on Legacy Title, then click OK. Then now this time we will grab the pen tool, or okay, yeah, we'll just grab this type tool. Yeah, the type tool. So just grab the type tool and then come right here and then start writing whatever you want. So let's write like enroll, and as you can notice, the color is white, so we need to change that so that we can see whatever we are typing is the correct thing. So just come here again, click on tools, styles. I already told you guys what these are last time. So we click on properties and then just change this color to black, because we have a white background, so because we need to see. So you can see now we have a black color. Now we can see clearly. So let's put this in caps. So let's say maybe we type something like enroll for online courses at Finstock. Now I want you to pay attention here. So if you want this text to start scrolling, you'll need to come right here. As you can see, this right here where you have these two arrows pointing up and down, click on that. Then you need to click on scroll. You can scroll it left. I like to scroll it left. You can do it right. Then click on start off screen and then end off screen, and then just click OK. So this text now is like kind of animated, but we have to wait until we've done. So now we have our video that is dragged right here, but when we play, you can see, yeah, it's moving, but it's kind of big and then it's moving too fast. So we need to adjust that, and that we need to go to effect controls. Everything you want to adjust, having minor details that you need to adjust, you have to do that in the effect controls panel. So just click on the video and then come on to effect controls. Then you can reduce the size of this by reducing the scale. So click on scale and then drag the scale. So as you can see, now you can reduce its size. So I think that is okay. So then we have to drag it down so that it can move how we want. Yeah, so now as you can see, we have reduced the size, but we have one problem: is moving too fast. Okay, so what you need to do is reduce this. You just reduce the size. So you just need to reduce that so that anyone who's reading will have a nice time reading. Like they will not struggle reading because it's too fast. Like when I reduce it up to there, you can't even read because it will be moving too fast, as you can see. But if I adjust and move it maybe up to that point, now you can at least read whatever is going on. Yeah, nicely. The bigger it is, the more the bigger it is, the easier for the reader to read whatever is going on. Yeah, so that's how you add a scrolling text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Yeah, super easy. Just click on title, write whatever you're writing, then click on scroll left and then reduce the size of the text or the moving text. Yeah, that is it, guys. Make sure you like the video, share, comment, subscribe, and if you want to learn more about editing, how you can become a professional editor, you can enroll for online courses at Finstock University College, where they have these editing courses at very affordable rates. So make sure you check them out. Their website is www.finstockuniversity.com, or you can email them at info@finstockuniversity.com. You can also call their customer care number at 0703-313-722. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification button so that every time we upload a new video, you'll be the first one to get notified. Until next time, peace.